Good morning, guys. Welcome to Max FX channel. All right, so right now I'm looking at the euro dollar charts and I'm about to enter this market in the next 8 hours. So the next 8 hours, I'll be entering this market. So now this is a breakdown on how I'm going to enter this market or why I'm going to enter into this market. So first, when I go to the daily, as our principle says, at the highs, we want to sell. And at the lows, we want to buy. So at higher prices, we sell. And when you look at the daily chart, you can see that the price is very expensive here. It's very, very expensive. When you come to the weekly, you can see how expensive prices. See the price of euro dollar now. So that's using dollar to buy euro. That's 1.18 cents. So when we come to the daily, it's very expensive. So now we look for opportunities to sell. So yes, so the reason why I'm going to enter into this trade is first, you can see that it is making a bearish trend, and therefore you can see this bearish trend. So basically, I'm just going to follow this trend. So from here, then I'll go downwards. That's it. So it is creating this lower high right here now to create the lower low. All right, the next thing is that it is there's a head and shoulder pattern right there. So you can see this head and shoulder pattern right there. So like this. And now so you go down like this. So you can basically see this head and shoulder pattern right here. So now you're expecting this move to retesting the neckline of the head and shoulder. And now we move down. So that's another reason I want to enter into this market. And now when you come to the daily, you can also see it's made this very bearish candle right here, which means there's a lot of sellers in the market. So it's retesting means that there are also more sellers going to enter because the market has retested to the high that most sellers sold. So now they are also willing to sell at those prices. And they are going to do that aggressively because they don't want to lose in the market. So we should expect this sell on euro dollar in the next 8 hours. I'm just waiting for confirmation on the 4 hour and I'm going to enter this trade to perfection. So that's a breakdown of the euro dollar trade. So in the next 8 hours, I'll update you guys on what's happened. Thank you very much.